All right, we're back at it again with another episode of Plumbing Issues, Plumbing Diaries, Miser Plumbing West. We're here on location in Hermosa Beach, California. And check out this layout. There's the beach. Anyway, it's a newly finished remodel. We're doing the finished plumbing, putting in this island faucet to the island sink. I gotta do all the connections down here. That what you're looking at is called an island vent because it's in the middle of the room. You don't have a wall to go. You don't have a wall to go through with a vent to the ceiling. So that's how you put in a island vent right there with a drain connection here. We're going to be hanging a garbage disposal on this side. In here is the notorious Jeremy putting in this toilet. And there's going to be a top mount sink here. We're going to put it in the shower trim there. This is the washroom where the washer and dryer are going to go, right here. This is the master bedroom. Walk-in closet. And the master bathroom with a standalone tub. It's going to come up, just hook up to that. The overflow is in the cavity right here. Goes down. It has a proprietary drain. So all you need is the drain itself to go here and hooks up there. Two more sinks in here, top mount. So they sit right on top of the countertop and the other toilet. Stay tuned in.